Synonymous to the yearly Ojude Oba festival in Ijebu-Ode, the event was well attended by dignitaries from all walks of life showcasing Ijebu culture and tradition. Dr. Sonny Folorunsho Kuku became the third Ogbeni Oja in the history of Ijebu land after the installation by Awujale and paramount ruler of Ijebu land, Oba Sikiru Kayode Adetona.
Prosperity and development of Ijebu Kingdom and its people.
Speaking on the importance of the title and the royal selection of the candidacy of Olorogun of Kuku dynasty, Dr. Sonny Folorunsho Kuku, the new Ogbeni Oja, prominent Nigerians, including the chairman of the new Ogbeni Oja Installation Committee, Dr. Fasi Yusuf, commended Awujale for the choice of Dr. Sonny Folorunsho Kuku.
In recent times, there were two before the current one. The current one is a master physician, Dr. Sonny Kuku. So the Ogbeni Oja, in terms of a chieftaincy hierarchy, is next to Awujale. He deputizes for the Kabiyesi for Awujale in his absence. And when there's any interregnum, he sits in for Kabiyesi. And he presides over the Council of Chiefs.
So we've been together for a long time. He's a man of great and high intellect, highly intellectual, and a very brilliant character.
He's the Olorogun of Ijebu, and he has brought panache not just to Ojude Oba but to Ijebu culture. And I'm very sure that he will perform in this particular role excellently well.
It's a unique one. It's the one that has been longly deserved by Olorogun Sonny Kuku. I rejoice with him. Ouno Kajwe, he's the one that is free into it. And I thank God that the Awujale gave it to him.
Congratulating the new Ogbeni Oja, Ogun State Governor Dapo Abiodun, represented by his deputy Noimon Salako Oyedele, reiterated Ogun State government's resolve to uphold the sanctity of Yoruba tradition and culture.
The accomplishments in the medical field and in philanthropic endeavors are indicative of the positive impact we can bring to our community. On this occasion marked the beginning of a new chapter for home achievements, and your leadership inspire us all to strive for excellence in service to Ijebu-land, Ogun State, and humanity at large.
The new Ogbeni Oja, while appreciating his visitors and well-wishers, promised to use his resources for more services to humanity.
Nigeria has been good to us, but I want people to say we have to give back to Nigeria. Otherwise, I should retire and enjoy my life. But I'm prepared to devote my time to serve some people through Ijebu-land, through Ogun State, through Nigeria.
Preparatory to the official installation, the new Ogbeni Oja, who is also the Olorogun of Kuku dynasty, had observed a 3-day traditional confinement rite at the Kuku dynasty ancestral home Itantebo Olorunshogo Ijebu-Ode, where he was physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually prepared for the task ahead. This position, Ogbeni Oja of Ijebu-land, has been vacant since 2015 before the conferment of the title on Dr. Sonny Folorunsho Kuku. In Ijebu-Ode, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.